So may I pray that the matter may be listed on Monday. Because I have some problem on Tuesday, I will not be available. That is why, because there's some urgency. Monday.
Okay, I will try, but it's not supposed to be there is any. Okay, somehow I'll try, but
My lord.
list is quite, I mean, the fixed matters are very, I mean.
No,
all the matters have been-
motion matter.
Oh, whatever, it will take some
Well.
time. Anyway, we'll try.
Oh,
Okay, Monday.
My please, Lordship, this criminal petition for quashing of the criminal proceeding, my lord, on last occasion, 3rd of October 2024 was listed. Thereafter not listed. So order matter, my lord.
Whatever.
On Monday, my lord.
No,
Any other date?
14th. 13th or 45. Oh. 14th.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention one bail application for listing, Your Lordship. This matter was earlier rejected by Honorable Justice Sushmita Khawan, Your Lordship. And the matter was fixed on 4th, but early, my lord was not there. So it was not listed, Your Lordship. So on 11th, she is available, Your Lordship. So matter may be listed. I don't know.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I would to mention for a listing of every Lordship. It was last listed on 4th of August, Lordship. But on that day, we take adjourn because CD was not received. But we have got to know that CD was received, arrived on that particular day.
No, whatever, it will be on 14th somehow.
Ma-
14th, 1/4.
Lordship, not on 14, kindly on 11 or 12 because there is urgency.
No, we don't have any urgency. We cannot accommodate. We cannot just accommodate. That's why it is important.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship, I
Please say
beg to
it,
mention for listing of criminal revision petition, Lordship. I was filing Lordship 1st of August, Lordship.
18, 18/8.
Lordship, can you fix?
18/8.
Okay.
Lordship, Lordship, kindly not on 14th, kindly on 13th, Lordship.
Will play.
Of late.
No, please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention an anticipatory bill application, Lordship, for listing on Monday, Lordship, if it possible, Your
Monday.
Lordship. Lordship,
Anticipatory or
anticipatory bill.
on 14th.
Main business Lordship, I beg to mention anticipatory bail Lordship. This matter was filed on 1/8/2025, but till date it has not listed Lordship.
Why don't you approach the registry for this thing? It is listed in this thing. That can be approached before the registry also. They will accommodate definitely. Because on our part now, see, you can, if you want to check, you can check the list. Which fixed matter is more than 30, 35 in every day from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So it will be difficult on our part
Yes,
to
Lordship.
list the matter. You can approach the registry. Better to approach the registry. Registry will definitely accommodate.
May I fix any date Lordship. Kindly Lordship.
14/5 no, or 18th. 14th. Okay.
Yes, please.
May I please, Lordship, I am prayer for withdrawal 1AB, Lordship, for Monday, Lordship. Blessed, Lordship.
My lord, I'd like to mention criminal petition number 214 of 2025. My lord, the nature of the case is for the cancellation of bail. My lord, the last date of posting was 15 July 2025. My lord, it's of urgency. Therefore, my lord, if a sooner date may be given by this honorable court.
Now see, sooner in a sense, AB, it's a AB or B?
My lord, cancellation of bail, my lord.
Cancellation of bail.
Yes, my lord.
Cancellation of bail may not be so urgent. Cancellation of bail may not be so urgent. I don't know. There may be some urgency, but if you see cancellation of bail is not so urgent, you cannot consider so urgent matter. Anyway, we'll try to accommodate either on 13 is almost over, no? 29, 30, 35. 14th will do, 14th? 14th of
Much obliged, my lord.
May it please, Your Lordship. For listing, my lord, a bail application, anticipatory bill, Monday, my lord.
Not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, not at all possible. On by, at latest by 14th, 14th.
My lord, 14.
14th. Or
The second round of bail application, my lord, your lordship will find the last order annexure 7. I'm in custody since last 57 days today, till today, my lord.
Yes, what for? Otherwise, it's a case of, I think, 90 days offense or what? Because serious allegations were there.
Yes, well, say reason. We will think. Short that maybe fix, well, if possible, I can do that. 14. And they're rejected by your lordship on 15/7/25.
Yes, I can still remember, he even conducted this examination also.
Yes.
Then the appointment letter also was also
There
issued.
was also
Otherwise, I'm just
Ye-
asking whether it's
18 and
50 days or 60 days or 90 days offense. That
90 days.
otherwise 90 days offense.
90 days offense.
My lord,
Yes, when can you get the case diary? Because he is in 57 days under it.
here go, go.
19th of August. 14th of August. 14th.
Okay, we're listing it on 14th. Let's see the date.
Monday. My lord, can it be on 18th of August? my lord?
18th. Okay, then 18th of August. Yes.
Lordship, can matter may be taken up after some time.
Sometime it will cannot allow.
Lordship, senior
We are
counsel,
rising.
senior counsel.
By 11:30, I'm going to write.
He's coming, your lordship.
If by that time, if he comes, then it's okay. Otherwise, it will be, okay.
CD may be called for.
It is, what is the nature of case? What about?
Yes, my lord, here, this is my lord, online fraud, my lord, huge amount of money, my lord. Earlier, some of the petitioner, your lordship has rejected also, my lord, and some allowed on the ground of length of detention.
So this petitioner, what is the?
Your lordship, mandatory period is 60 days. Today, I am behind over 56 days. Your lordship may fix it on Tuesday, my lord. Lordship, can my senior will appear?
Okay, okay, for that.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, this is an anticipated bail application. FIR and cross FIR is there, lordship. On the same day, we lost the FIR regarding lordship land dispute, lordship. In this case, lordship, on co-accused was arrested. He was granted bail by this court, lordship. That order, lordship, will find on page 30, lordship. Yeah, lordship, what happened? This court has observed this. There is a land dispute, and lordship, in this case, lordship, this petitioner number 1, lordship, he sustained injury, grievous injury, that is reflected on page 27A, lordship. Petitioner number 1. Lordship, probably remember this case, that is on FIR on page 15. May I read that FIR, lordship? It is respectfully submitted that I am the cultivator by profession and cultivating on others' land on the basis of adhere and thereby maintaining my family. Today at 14/6/25 at about 1:30 p.m. while plowing in the land measuring 2 vigha 2 kata of Teherat Jamins. At that time, above mentioned accused person, each of the accused with dao, axe, iron rod, chased me, and after observing them, I ran towards my house. The above named accused person chased me and forcefully trespassed into my house, attacked my father, mother, nephew, Nabjit Ali, my uncle Jalal Uddin, along with my wife Arvind Khatun and Sharpoipan. They have also destroyed the household articles and therefore fled away from the place of occurrence. My father, mother, nephew, uncle, and wife sustained grievous injuries. With the help of the local people, took them to the Mukalmua hospital. At present, they are under treatment. Lordship, this affair was registered on 14/6. 14/6, and now, Lordship, kindly to the affair lost by us, Lordship, on the same day, that is on page 23, Lordship. The informant, lordship, who has lost this affair, he was arrested, lordship. Then lordship has granted bail to this informant, lordship. May I read that affair, lordship? It is respectfully submitted that today on 14/6.
Lordship may kindly come to page 29 first, and thereafter earlier rejection order on the ground of length of detention. Your lordship has granted bail, my lord. Here one.
But
29 was the learned court below.
Yes.
Acha.
One, Zorina Begum sustained grievous injuries and dislocation, And my lord, two other persons, my lord, victim sustained physical injuries. And that also reflected in the order passed by your lordship, my lord.
Lordship observation is there on page 30, Lordship, relevant portion on 32, Lordship,
Page 29, paragraph.
31, Lordship.
And that is so only on the ground of
So-
length of detention, your lordship has granted this.
Above all, Lordship, there, in
AB, my lord, at least CD may be conforming.
interim protection, kindly may pray, Lordship, because Lordship, this Lordship has observed that there are some sustained injuries both side, Lordship, and they are matter related to land dispute, Lordship. They are the adjacent, Lordship, they are the dispute regarding the plowing of that land, Lordship. They try to encourage, Lordship, we raise, Lordship, they attacked us, Lordship. Lordship, there is from the same family, they are, Lordship, named in as a accused, Lordship. May I pray some interim protection, Lordship?
CD will reveal, my lord, how he is involved.
Because Lordship, injury, Lordship, 27A page, kindly peruse, Lordship, that photograph last day also shown, Lordship.
Photography is not required, my lord.
Because the petitioner himself, Lordship, is the petitioner number one, Lordship, who, why is he, Lordship, mislead the court, Lordship? He is giving the photographs of his own photographs, Lordship.
Where
He is the
question of-
petitioner number one, Lordship.
Where is the question of misleading? While there is specific observation of.
I submitted why these photographs will give annex, Lordship. He has supplied this photograph because he has sustained injuries, Lordship.
And Mr. P. Chaudhary did
I'm not saying that he is misleading. I say why he is misleading the court.
So it's in connection. Considering the submission made by. Also considering the fact that there was a dispute between the groups. Basically for the 10 dispute. And if it is to extend it to the date of the interim period is. So, okay, you'll be under interim protection.
Highly obliged, Lordship. Highly obliged.
9/9 can be given or 10/9.
My lord, on September, my lord, on 9th of September.
Highly obliged.
CDB along with the medical.
May I please, lord?
Yes,
My lord, in this case, my lord, scan copy of the, my lord, CD was called for.
it's received, I think, what happened.
Scan copy called for receipt, my lord. I have gone through the record, my lord. Here. আপনার receipt কোন? My lord, in this case, my lord, one, my lord, legal aspect, my lord, I have gone through, my lord. Under this, my lord, section, there is a rider under section, my lord, 113 BNS, my lord. For registering, my lord, this FIR under this section, my lord, endorsement, my lord, and my lord, registration by the SP is necessary, my lord. But here in this case, my lord, I have also gone through the, my lord, some extent, my lord, record, my lord. Here, my lord, IO, my lord, realized, my lord, that legal aspect that, my lord, SP's, my lord, endorsement is necessary for this registration of this kind of FIR, my lord. But as per, my lord, charge sheet, my lord, yet it is not received, my lord. So virtually, my lord, as per the mandate of law, my lord, this FIR itself is, my lord, not maintainable, my lord. That about, my lord, petitioner before your lordship is, my lord, languishing in jail, my lord, more than, my lord, 60 days, my lord.
One other aspect we have since submitted. One, this endorsement was not there, and the
Not,
other
my
one,
lord, it is, my lord,
other
properly.
aspect.
Other aspect is that, my lord, it is a 60 days, my lord, investigation period. But before 60 days, my lord, charge sheet was submitted, my lord, but he is in jail, my lord, more than
Yes, he is
60
in
days,
jail.
my lord. And other thing is there, my lord, here, my lord, the person who complained about this, my lord, video, which is shared by the, wrongly shared by the minor son of the petitioner, my lord, and immediately it was deleted. And perhaps, my lord, here, as per my instruction, my lord, I am not sure, my learned friend may be, my lord, ascertain. My lord, this video is also not in their possession now, my lord, because petitioner, my lord, immediately it was deleted. And after, my lord, 1 month, FIR was lost, my lord. And there is no, my lord, as far in apprehension of the FIR, there was no, my lord, untoward incident as on today happened, my lord, because of sharing this video, my lord. This aspect is also there, my lord. And, my lord, the person who, my lord, reported this incident, my lord, his statement is very simple, my lord. His statement is that, my lord, that he has gone through one video, my lord, before 1 month, where, my lord, this allegedly this petitioner before your lordship, my lord, shared one video which, my lord, was posted originally by another unknown person, my lord, where, my lord, our honorable prime minister was, my lord, abused with some, my lord, criticized with some bad language, my lord. That much, my lord, and he is, my lord, suspecting that this petitioner may be a supporter of, my lord, Pakistan. That is the, my lord, precise allegation, my lord. So, my lord, over and above, my lord, my humble submission is that, my lord, he will face trial, my lord, and sufficiently, my lord, he has suffered a lesson in the meantime, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, he has also terminated from his service also, my lord, that this order is also communicated to him, my lord. Lordship, kindly, my lord, this the order. In the below of the charge sheet, my lordship, my lord, this aspect, my lord, IO, my lord, specifically narrated that, my lord, endorsement of the SP is yet not obtained, my lord. What position? You have to get you. We should record. We should record.
Yes.
But here, Lordship, the case was succeeded only on 27/7/2025, my lord.
27.
7, my lord, 25, my lord. And here in the charge sheet showing them 6 witnesses, my lord. 6 witnesses in the charge sheet, my lord. And Lordship is already after going to the case diary, my lord. Case diary reveals the same, my lord. And after going to the case diary, my Lordship was pleased to reject this petition, my lord. The Lordship, it was mentioned in the FIR itself, said that some abusive language was used against the Prime Minister of India, my lord. And thereafter, he shared the video, and in his statement also he said that he likes it. When someone rebuked the Prime Minister of India, he likes it, and that's why he shared it, the video, my lord. And he got several like comment, my lord, in this video, my lord. In his statement, he said, my lord. And thereafter, Lordship is rightly in the observation, my lord, in the bail rejection order, my lord. My submission was already mentioned here. May I read, my lord? My submission already. Mr. Sharma, land additional submits that there are sufficient incriminator against the accused petitioner. It is contended that the accused petitioner himself had shared an objectionable video wherein even the Honorable Prime Minister was abused. The video, being provocative in nature, was allegedly shared with the intention of creating hatred among citizens, potentially causing public unrest, violating the law and diverting attention from Pakistan's involvement in terrorist activities, particularly in connection with the Pahalgam incident. It is further submitted that the investigation is still, that line is not submitted. But in the occasion when the all the people of India, my lord, were praying for the Pahalgam incident, for the dead person, my lord, he has shared some videos, my lord, against the Prime Minister. In ultimately supporting the enemy country, my lord, Pakistan. He is supporting the Pakistan, my lord. That's why Lordship was pleased to reject his petition, my lord. At this stage also, my lord, charge is not yet framed, my lord. Only appearance stage is there, my lord. Lordship may, Lordship may, after perusal of the report, my lord, may dismiss their petition, my lord. At least charge may be framed, my lord, at this stage, my lord. And materials are there, my lord, in the charge, in the report, my lord. I have flag mark, my lord. Even his statement, he said that, my lord, he likes it when someone shared my video, my lord. And thereafter he shared it, and several likes, comments he got. That is his statement, my lord. Indirectly, he's supporting the Pakistan, my lord, enemy country, my lord.
No, this is wrong statement. Where he supported.
Not supporting.
Apprehending, my lord, FIR was little bit, my lord, exaggerated, my lord. It was not, my lord, as per the statement of the original complainant, my lord.
His
There is
conduct,
nothing, my lord. He
his
only, my
conduct
lord,
reveals, my lord.
there are, my lord, the lordship. I have, after filing this bail application, I have saved, my lord, there are, my lord, numerous, my lord, videos where, my lord, directly, my lord, criticizing, my lord. It is a democratic country, my lord. There are little bit of, my lord, even, my lord, otherwise also. My lord, I am also, my lord, not, but,
What are you saying?
well,
It's a democratic country,
Country,
so
what-
ekdam openly will.
it is
discuss.
definitely, my lord, condemnable, my lord.
No,
Whatever he
no,
wants
it's a
to say, then he
democratic
can say.
country. Everyone
Definitely,
has
my
the
lord,
right to
I am
speech.
totally, my
So
lord.
that's why you're going to condemn the
My-
entire
No, my lord,
country,
not at
the
all, my
Prime
lord.
Minister supporting the enemy country.
No,
Is it a
not
matter?
at all, my lord.
How? What are you
If it is
submitting
written,
then?
my
What
lord,
are you submitting?
my lord, no, my lord,
Democratic right? What is a democratic right?
This is not at all.
How you can, how you can criticize your
just-
own country?
Just, my lord, I
How
am,
you can support your enemy country? Is that?
my lord, there is nothing, my lord, to support.
That's okay. You have
Yes, my
supported
lord.
that much. But how can you say there's a democratic right? He can
Sometimes, my lord,
criticize.
court
own-
says, my lord, it is not my submission, my lord. Sometimes, my lord,
What is
court and my lord, we,
very, very.
Either
it
another
is-
submission, another his submission.
So,
my lord.
Mr.
It-
Borgia,
it
if
is, my
that
lord,
kind
it
of
is-
submission you do,
it
then the-
is totally wrong, my lord. It is totally wrong.
It's-
Nobody should be blamed, my lord. My lord, here in this case, my lord, petitioner, my lord, learned a lesson, my lord, terrific lesson, my lord. He has lost also his job, my lord.
Okay, he
Yes, my lord.
custody.
Yeah,
for-
custody,
for period of
further, my lord, lordship, my lord, my humble request is that further custody, and he is, my lord, very fatty person, my lord. Now he is under psychiatric attack also, my lord. Instantly,
Fatty
my lord.
person,
This person, my lord, suddenly
very
went.
fat.
Yes, my lord.
That's why he is psychiatric problem now.
My lord, now, my lord, suddenly he has gone, my lord, jail, my lord, after, my lord, so many years, my lord, after 40 years, my lord. Obviously, my lord, long incarceration in the jail, my lord. Therefore, my lord, he has, my lord, mentally
that is okay.
also
That we
disturbed now.
understand.
Yes, my lord. Therefore, my lord, therefore, my lord, considering the period of detention, my lord, and here in this case, my lord, another legal aspect is serious legal aspect is also there, my
That you have
lord.
already submitted, we'll go through
My
it.
lord,
Yes,
here,
yes,
here,
my
my
lord.
lord, I have checked my
Kind-
charge sheet, my
kind-
lord. In the charge sheet, it is revealed that in section 113 subsection 2, there is a necessary to prosecution sanction, my lord. Prosecution sanction, my lord, that's why it was sent for prosecution sanction, not yet received. That line is perhaps
There are
on
some
that
things that he even
on
in
that
spite
line
of
he has
receiving the
submitted, my
prosecution
lord.
sanctions,
Yes,
he
my
came
lord.
back. But during that process, the
My
prosecution
lord,
sanction
before
has to be,
cognizance, my lord, it will come.
has to be.
My lord.
No, this is their case, my lord. But here, my lord, because this is a, my lord, serious section, my lord. I mean, otherwise, my lord, in this case may not be, my lord, only Facebook court, my lord. But in this line, my lord, under this section, my lord, there may be, my lord, also serious cases also, my lord. Therefore, my lord, there is a rider given by the legislature that, my lord, this kind of, my lord, case should be registered, my lord, only from the consent and endorsement of the superintendent of police. May I read the, my lord, explanation part, my lord? For the removal of doubt, it is hereby declared that the officer not below the rank of superintendent of police shall decide whether to register the case under this section or under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967, my lord. So he has to decide, my lord, whether this particular case should be registered even, my lord, under this section, or is that case should be, my lord, registered in another, my lord, act, my lord. But
That's
in
why
this-
it was sent for prosecution sanction, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
That's why it was sanctioned.
Before registration.
It will now be,
Right.
prosecution sanctioning is okay,
My
but
lord.
otherwise, regarding the registration of case, it will definitely
My lord,
go
my-
by the case guide and we'll see
My lord.
that whether before registering a case, whether there was any communication with the SP concerned.
My lord.
That is it.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, we'll see.
Otherwise, materials are there, my lord. At this stage,
Over and above, my lord, it will, my lord, as he is, my lord, already arrested, my lord,
We
and
don't have time much.
case is charged sheeted, my lord, lordship. Considering the period of detention, my lord, and he has already terminated from the service, my lord. Further, my lord, detention in this case is, my lord, lordship consider may not be necessary, my lord.
Side. Okay.
Deep level.
We'll pass it. Huh?
We all, my lord, my lord, respect our, my lord, all the leaders, my lord, they are serving as well. Deep level.
11. Yes, Mr. Anand.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, in this case, lordship, the petitioner.
Well, after 10 minutes, man.
Otherwise, what, NDPS matter?
NDPS
NDPS
matter,
matter,
commercial matter, quantity matter,
Ah.
and earlier rejected matter. After going to the record matter, lordship was pleased to reject his petition matter.
4 months.
Here,
Then,
my lord, here,
Ahmed, if you
Man.
can accommodate, then
my lord, any other
today. Because I have some urgency,
Right.
like by 11:30 anyhow, we have, because if
As
the
because
same
lordship,
order is there,
this was
then
rejected by your lordship, so lordship, it will come here. Lordship may fix a date, lordship, next week.
next week any day.
Next week. And lordship, I
Otherwise,
basic-
what is the stage of the case as per you, Mr. Ahmed?
evidence statement.
No,
Evidence,
no, lordship.
not yet started.
Charges has not been framed.
Okay.
I am in the custody since 1 year, 8 months. My prime ground is that lordship, long incarceration. Then another ground, nothing was recovered, only on the basis of co-accused statement, lordship.
Now, from him, it was no.
Nothing, lordship.
And,
Even lordship,
the
in the
grounds
charge
of-
sheet.
Grounds of things are also have taken.
Not necessarily, you are
As
arrested on
well-
NBW issue.
Oh,
As
this
that's why
As
it is not
because
necessary.
lordship, he was arrested on the strength of NVWA, therefore lordship, ground of arrest would not be applicable, but lordship, parallelly, another thing is there, lordship, if we see the charge sheet, nothing is there in the charge sheet, against me, nothing. And lordship, there is judgment of the honorable apex court that at least,
Okay, then you
Yes,
produce all
fine,
this.
yes,
we
these
may
three
take,
grounds, lordship, primarily I am taking, lordship.
it
Next week, any date, lordship.
will be 14th, okay?
Yes, lordship.
14 my lord, several cases my lord fixed on 14th
13?
scan copy my lord. Then 15th, 16th or
16 holiday. Let it be on.
Good case fixed for us, several matters my lord, 11, 12, 13, 14 my lord, in 4 days. Several scan copy my lord, we have to go through all.
All
My lord.
it is done.
18th my lord.
Not 18th, lordship. Let it be on 19th, not
No, no.
18th. As because lordship already 18th in this court, lordship, two other matters are fixed of mine.
Can it be on 19 then?
My lord.
Then 19th. Highly applies.
19, eh? Item number 11. Item number 11, fix it on 19 for you. Just on 19. खाली reply. Yes, what is this? 6.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Petitioner is the interim lordship and up-to-date case diary was called for lordship. But in the meantime, someone issued by the to the accused person. Now, charge sheet is submitted in this case. I have received someone lordship in this case. Item 6.
As per you, summons have already.
I have already received someone before. And my humble prayer before you kindly direct the petition to approach the learned court for recall. In the meantime,
Do you have any this?
Lordship, I have.
No. CS number do you have?
Yes, no CS number, PRC number I have. This is PRC case.
Thakur, they have already received the summons.
And next day,
Then
this one,
definitely the charge sheet was there, I think.
charge sheet there is.
Do you have any information?
Next day, 26/8.
Otherwise, you were on interim.
Interim lordship. Petitioner will appear for a regular bail. In the meantime, interim may be continued. Lordship. Next day, fiction 26/8.
Pardon, Mr. B. Islam.
B Islam. Lordship.
Mr. B.
Charge sheet number, not PRC number.
Mr. B. Bought.
PRC.
Submitted by the CD not received, however, it is submitted by Mr. Islam. That the petitioner has already received summons from the learned trial court below. After filing of the charge sheet. However, it is submitted by Mr. Porter that he has not received any instructions in regards to filing of the charge sheet. So, considering the receipt of summon by the petitioner, it may be admitted that the charge sheet has already been made. In view of this, in view of this, the petitioner is hereby directed to appear before the learned trial court with a regular application for bail, which may be considered in accordance with. I would do interim was there. Will be extended 15 days will okay.
Lordship, next day, the fiction 26/8. Lordship. Can it be on that date? He will appear. Lordship. 26/8.
Till 26/8.
Okay.
And
On or
be
before,
extended till
26/8.
26. He will appear before the on or before 26 and interim be extended.
Much obliged.
We're extending your interim till.
Much obliged.
May I please, your
Yes.
lordship? Lordship, I was granted interim and as per the interim order, I have appeared also, my lordship. Annexure 1, page 11 is the FIR, my lordship.
Anyway, you have received the.
Yes, case
Yes,
diary
that-
accept money.
My lord, the
Yes. No, justice. Yes, but you have already appeared
my lordship, I have appeared. I have appeared, I was,
for the informant. Yes, what?
Yes, my lord.
Anyway, you want to submit, yes.
yes.
As per FIR is that page?
FIR is at Annexure 1, page 11, my lordship. My lord, the
Yes.
case is that in 2004, they had a relationship which continued till 2011. Both belong to the Khamti culture and they are neighbors, only a stream flows in between their house. So till 2011, they were in relationship. Then in 2011, she got in another relationship, and for which there was a breakup in the relationship. Thereafter, after 2011, he was all doing his own works and everything. Then thereafter, my lordship, he got introduced to his wife in 2021. 2021, with whom he has married. He got married. He got married on
No.
27
So, you're
6
saying that
2025.
2011, there was a breakup in relationship.
Breakup, my lordship.
And she got married with another person.
No, didn't got married because she had another relationship, and for that reason, my lordship, then there was no communication in between. They were like friends. They were meeting because they were all childhood friends, my lordship. In 2021, one of the another childhood friend, my lordship, he got introduced, and like they were in a relationship with whom he got married on 27/6/2025. 27/6/2025. On the next day, 28/6/2025, this FIR was lodged, my lordship. And in the FIR, my lordship, if there were allegations, other allegations are also there. One allegations will prove itself. In specifically, she has stated he used to send back the boys who used to come to see me from road itself. My lordship might remember. My lordship has gone in detail with this FIR. So my lordship, the only reason is that grass. He got married. The next day, the Azahar was lost. They were from 2004 to 11, they were in a relationship, and all were actually, with whom he got married is also one of the childhood friends only. All are from the Khamti village. They are toward the Buddhist culture, my lordship. He has cooperated with the investigation, my lordship. And his age is also presently 38. She's also measured 33, 4. Yeah, all are consensual relationship only, my lordship, at that point of time.
Yes, otherwise. what?
Otherwise,
Yes.
from her 164 statement revealed love relation since 2004. And my lord, she also, one allegation is that the present petitioner does not allow her to, my lord, marry with
married
any
with that.
other person of such. Then thereafter, my lord, physical relationship is also there. And in between that, my lord, he already married someone other, my lord. Thereafter, this FIR law. On the pretext of love, my lord, physical relationship is also there. Her statement recorded, man. Yeah, I have that much. And
But
from
now
the
see why
CBR
there would be any grudge, because it's here written that 27/6/2025 তাৰিখে সি আনজনী ছোৱালীক বিয়া পাতে, বিয়াৰ আগদিনা সন্ধিয়ালৈকে সি মোৰ লগত
yes,
কথা
yes, but
পাতি আছে।
regarding
So
that
definitely-
aspect, CDR analysis is also there, my lord, continuous, my lord, communication between the
Was there.
petitioner and even before the day of the marriage also, my lord, regarding
They
that.
were all friends, my lordship. All belong to the same culture, Buddhist culture, Khamti village. All are friends.
But you are going to marry in the next day, then
No, my
why
lordship,
you
they
are talking with?
no relation, my lord. They were friends
Okay.
after marriage.
After
They
breaking up.
break up, my lordship. She got involved with another. I would never say with regard to girl. My lord, she got in another relationship. They were like after this, all were friends of the same circle. So my lord, there was nothing. But on the day of the marriage, also nothing was there. My lordship, she came. Next day, all of a sudden, this FIR was. And moreover, it was consensual. She is also measured. They are all an major, my lordship.
Yes. Matter of? Ah. Thank you, Mr. Thank you, Mr. For United submitted that that the petitioner, the informant, the victim brought sufficient allegation against the present petitioner in her statement recorded under section 183. And BNSS, and accordingly he submitted that custodial intervention may be for the purpose. Next, MS Begum, the learner counsel for the appearing for the informant, submitted that she brought serious allegation of rape against the present petitioner, and hence considering the nature of the offense, his prayer for interference may not be considered. During this submission, made by learner counsel for both sides, considering the materials available in the diary, and also considering the conduct of the petition, find that declaration may not be recorded. We do order as the 14/7. Okay, your order of interim is hereby made absolute.
My lordship, mass obliged, my lordship, highly obliged.
I will take. Mati technology. I'm big.
I'm sorry, my lord, I was in leg in the other court. Sorry. But in this case, your lordship rejected on the ground that at that time 47 days was there, my lordship. In other case, 52 days, 55 days, your lordship was free to grant bail. That's Saiba Khan, my lord. So my only prayer is let him give an instruction whether CD has been filed or not, my lord.
Yes, sir.
After some time, and only that
Time is not.
well, by telephone, my lord, they can bring it, my lord.
On,
Already 56 days today, my lord.
Let's
56.
see, submitted 56.
Yes, 56 days.
Your lordship may kindly fix it on Monday or Tuesday.
My lord, that will be kind of factious, my lord. Only but that telephonic, my lord, they have to bring instruction, my lord. Or your lordship may grant, my lord, 56 days, my lord. Your lordship already granted in
What
other
was the
case.
nature of case?
My lord?
Serious
was a-
cyber offense, my lord, otherwise we are
Cyber.
Yes, that's, I just take your lordship to page 44, my lord. Page 44, the other case where your lordship was placed to grant bail on 56 days.
56 days.
Yes, page 44, my lord,
Page
Hmm.
40.
page 44. In my case, it was 47 days, my lord.
on the ground of length
So
of.
that
You are in custody for 47 or 56 days?
56 days today, my lord.
Today 56.
Today 56.
And others who were granted, they will.
There one is 45 days he was not granted, and one was granted by petition number 1 in 48, page 44.
Page 44.
44. Your lordship will find
He was still.
he was in for 56 days. Page 41 shows your lordship mentioned 41 days. Page 41.
Page 40.
41 last but 4 lines, my lord. Custody, your lordship, till they have been in custody for
50,
56
I
days.
mean, petitioner number 2.
Yeah, 2 was not allowed, my lord, because 47 days. Only 1 was allowed because 56
Considering
days.
56.
My lord. That your lordship mentioned 44 days, though your lordship was not inclined to grant bail, but because there is no probability of filing charge sheet, so your lordship granted bail to him, page 44.
Well, the
Within
present
5-10
accused
minutes,
is my
can
lord,
you
one
get
of the
it?
main accused.
No,
my lord,
that I am
regarding
not saying on that.
antisocial elements, my lord, how those monies were used for other, my lord, offenses for drug trafficking, terrorism, my lord, all these evidences in that respect.
No, everything against me. I am not denying, my lord.
My lord, on Monday or Tuesday, my lord, I will get it, my lord.
Yeah, you
Because
can bring the
considering the
information by telephone.
Considering the gravity of the offense, my lord, otherwise your lordship has rejected very recently, probably.
In that case, gravity was also mentioned itself.
Tuesday, my lord, if such it not filed on the day, my lord, I will.
Then maybe by Monday you get the instruction.
Yes, Monday.
What had happened is totally for 10-15 minutes or half an hour is now today I'm facing some problem. In
That's not there by telephone. They can bring instruction. I think they should not be so harsh to this type of thing. Already by the 56 days, your lordship granted bail. Only by telephone within 1 or 10 minutes they can get it back. If there is no, it also will fix on
Considering the
Monday.
gravity of the offense, still there is time.
No, I am not
to
a married.
Still there is time to file the search sheet, my lord, so that's why, my lord, probably today also there is possibility of filing the search sheet. So, my lord, I am praying only.
Mr. Chaudhary is that's what he is
Yes,
saying. something that-
I am only praying for Monday, my lord. Monday I will get the instruction. Monday.
So, my lord, new technology, my lord, I don't know why. Gravity, I am not denying, my lord. Yes, your lordship, I am absolutely with him, my lord. Gravity. Already 56 days, your lordship granted, my lord. Why? That is what I am saying, my lord. I lift your lordship, my lord, because actually your lordship, one accused will say, I got 56. Advocate, there will be against him, my lord.
Because
His future will be
Sanwar Hussain, he is one of the main accused.
Most probably he is the main.
Yes, he is the main. That's why my line.
Rohul Amin is the main person.
He is
Two
Ruhul
facts.
Amin and Sanwar is also my lord. One side.
Anyway, my lord, I lift your lordship, my lord, only because of I think, my lord, there is nothing. Only within half an hour they can get the information, my lord. Because we are not on gravity of the offense, my lord. We are on that whether charge sheet is there or not.
Can you get?
My lord, sometimes my lord, difficult. It is difficult because of telephone also, my lord. Sometimes they
I love
they
telephone.
to, my lord, receive.
He is predicting, my lord, telephone will be out of.
There is
This is not the way how I want to submit, my lord.
Considering the gravity of the offense, also I will have to get some.
That is not the way, my lord, how. Anyway, I lift your lordship, my lord.
On 11/7, my lord, I will get the instruction. If not,
This is not the way how, my lord, one person is to allow which, my lord, detain, my lord.
You try just for timing, I mean, again for 10-15 minutes.
Otherwise,
you get it.
considering the gravity of those are antisocial elements, were involved in cyber offense. not
Antisocial
only-
elements.
My lord, state of Assam, my lord, all over that their network is spreading all over, my lord, the country, my lord. And even some international link is also there. So, my lord, I will have to, before getting into only searching. So today also there is the whole day is there, my lord, for filing the search. So that's why I'm praying before lordship that
Okay,
on Monday, my lord. 11.
list on, it's city not within, no, city we call for list on. Monday invariably you take the instructions also,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
because undoubtedly to other, some two other.
I lift your
will be
lordship,
on
ma'am.
56 days,
Yes,
as you have submitted, and I have also gone through the record.
yes.
So, but Mr. Bhattapur is saying that he is the main.
No, I lift
inside.
your lordship, my lord, because
Okay,
he's so
let me
adamant,
see.
my lord, not to.
No, question is
So-
not of.
No, no, I appreciate, my lord,
I
that
have
should
to go
oppose,
with
that
the
should oppose,
gravity
my
of-
lord, but that's the way how he can get information within 10 minutes, within half an hour, he can get the information.
Because.
He's saying telephone will
during
be
the
out of
whole day
order.
also, the police
That
can.
is not the way, my lord. I lift your lordship, my lord.
Okay, okay, 11.
I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, please, Your Honor.
You have received this.
My LCR received, my lord. Half part I have gone through, my lord. It was time for the time, my lord. I'm unable to go through, my lord. What happened, my lord? Here in the search, there was one absconder, my lord. It was the case of 103 murder case, my lord, and their involvement is there, my lord. And in the house search also made, my lord. I have flag mark, my lord. House search also made, my lord. They have getting the arrest, my lord. Thereafter, search is submitted, declaring them in absconder, my lord. But from the, my lord, evidence of the, my lord, witnesses, my lord, statement of the witnesses, materials are there, my lord. All of them assaulted the disease and caused death, my lord. And in the PM reports also it reveals that death was due to as a head injury. My lord. Some photographs are also there, my lord. I played my lord. They are as soon as absconder in the search scene, my lord. That is the case, my lord.
If you allow me, Your Honor. In this case, there was a personal conflict in the past. So because of that, there is already a pending suit in the civil suit in the lower court. So these accused number 3 and 4, which is Amir Hussain and Zahidul Islam, they are necessarily dragged in this case for personal vendetta, Your Honor. And in the FIR, it has not been clearly mentioned about their involvement, which says accused number 1 is accused of attacking with a sharp dao, whereas accused number 9 and 10 threw the chili powder. Whereas the involvement of the state petitioners is not very clear, Your Honor.
Not clear.
Yes, Your Honor. I pray to Your Honor, on that day, in fact, the petitioner was not in the court. I mean, not in the place of incident. He was on the way to Kokrajhar, which is 1 hour away from the said place of incident. He's a daily laborer, Your Honor. He works he goes out at 6 a.m. and comes back by 4. So on that day, he was not present at the site of the incident. So, Your Honor, I pray if you allow us pre-arrest protection, we will cooperate with the investigation, we will cooperate with the trial. Also, Your Honor, in this case, one of the accused have been granted bail from the lower court, and accused number 6 and 7 has been cut off from the charge sheet on the same aspect.
That is not with us, because
Yes,
considering some, maybe there may not be, the allegation may not be there against those two, 6 and 7 or whatever.
yes.
So that's why
My
they
lord,
were
not
been,
on any sufficient
charged
material, that
against
was
their-
Yes, there's no arbitrariness.
But as you have submitted, your involvement was not there, but considering prima facie materials against you, the charge sheet is already submitted.
my lord.
That is the issue. So, yes, so otherwise you want to submit that, how many petitions you are representing? One and
Two petitions, two petitions, my lord.
Two petitions.
So as per you, they were not involved, and in the same time, they were not in the place of occurrence.
Yes, yes.
And why you did not cooperate in the investigation? Because one person undoubtedly died.
My lord,
Because 103.
70 years
Yes,
person,
yes.
my lord.
How many?
70 years person.
70 years person was
One person.
dying. And brutally he was
Assaulted, my
murdered.
lord, in the
and
head
assaulted.
injury.
Yes.
Yes,
So-
Your Honor, but
So you know that there's a case and your name is also there. Say why you're not cooperated in the investigation?
yes, Your Honor, there is a civil suit pending already in the lower court.
Obviously, ground will
Yes,
be there.
yes,
Maybe there may be grudge, ground, whatever.
Yes, yes, and
There is
because of,
admitted.
and because of that, we have been dragged into this case. In fact, we were not there at this, in the place of incident, Your Honor. And our liberty was at stake. We were not in the person, Your Honor.
So against you now, the NBW has already been issued or not yet issued?
We are called to the lower court for appearance.
Only summons or
Yeah.
suit?
So I mean, we are called. It has been charged.
No, have you annexed any order sheet here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very.
Page number 34, if you kindly look, Your Honor.
34.
Yes.
So cognizance has taken and you have this summons were issued to you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Only summons.
Yes, yes.
For appearance, issue summons to the for appearance.
Your Honor, I humbly pray, if you allow us, we'll cooperate with the case, Your Honor.
Yes, what someone.
My lord.
So you have already submitted, there are sufficient information.
My lord, sufficient
against-
documentation against that, and in the statement of the complaint, my lord, they said that, he said that, my lord, put the accused person assaulted with a bamboo, my lord, bamboo stick. Others are also X, and that are dear, my lord. And regarding the present, my lord, Amir and Zahir, my lord, Amir and
Amir was saying.
Amir and Zahidul, their involvement is there, my lord. They have assaulted with bamboo stick, my lord, and other witnesses also corroborated, my
And
lord.
the house search, they were not found.
My lord. House search was
search-
made. I have flag mark, my lord. Several houses made,
He was
but they are waiting the arrest, my lord. House search is done. I have flag mark. Several times, my lord, house search was made.
Right.
3-4 pages are there, man. I have flag only one.
Right.
All of them brutally assaulted, my lord, and killed the person, my lord. There's a photographs also, my lord, in the head.
Yes, I have seen. Heard Mr. L. Hangzu, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. Isham, the learned counsel VP, state respondent. This is an application, the section so and so. So and so. Scan copy of this here has already been received. It is submitted by Mr. Hangzu that the present accused petitioners are innocent and they are not at all involved in the alleged offense. On the day of incident also, they were not in the place of occurrence and they, as being the day laborers, they went to Pokrajhar for their livelihood. It was submitted that there was a land dispute between the two groups and only for that grudge, the name of the present petitioners are mentioned in the FIR as well as in charge sheet. However, two accused persons have already been discharged, and the case of the present petitioners are also under the same. They have already received the summons from the court, and they are ready and willing to appear and contest the case if they were provided with some interest. Next paragraph, Mr. Sharma, the learned additional PP submitted in this report that there are sufficient incriminating materials against the present petition who are also involved in committing murder of the deceased. And further, he submitted that during the investigation, IU made several attempts to apprehend these two accused petitioners, but in every attempt, they avoided the police arrest and did not cooperate in investigations. Accordingly, Mr. Sharma submitted that considering the nature and gravity of the offense, the conduct of the accused petition, it is not at all a fit case to extend any privilege of protection to the present petitions. Next, during this submission made by learning council, I have also perused the DCR, and accordingly, this seen that sufficient documentary metrics are collected by the IO against these two petitions. And in the same time, it is also seen that several house search were made by the IO during the investigation, but in spite of its said knowledge, the petitioners never cooperated in the investigation. Considering all these aspects of the case, I find that it's not a fit case to extend any privilege of reads. However, the petitioners are thereby directed to appear before the learned trial court below on the next date of listing, and till date, no corrosive action may be taken against the list chapter of observation. Now, see, there cannot be any. It is not a case for extending any previous bail, a previous bail. However, we are provided that no corrosive action shall be taken against you till your appearance before the learned.
The after court will consider as per law.
Yes, yes. And
Have a bit.
then the court again liquidate. Oh,
Much obliged.
time for it. Setting up. One only. Simple admission will do, or you want to make up some submission?
No, Lordship. Appeal may be admitted.
Appeal may be admitted.
Lordship, we'll file an IA for bail. So they will be filing an objection.
You're going to file objection there?
10 years, Lordship.
At this stage, my records may be called for after going through the records, madam. At this stage, LCM.
Any private respondent? No.
No.
This year may be called from.
What is the nature of? What nature of case this is?
This is a 376 case.
376.
Yes, conviction.
So in 376, we have not made party. It is the victim. Victim is not made party. Anyway, state is there.
Yes, sir. And we have filed
Against conviction?
yes,
Statutory appeal?
yes.
10 years.
We have filed an IA for bail.
Yes. Yes. You are Mr.
MS Hussain.
MS?
Hussain on behalf of AM Bora.
Or Mr. MS Hussain, appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Given a senior for the applicant. This is an application against the judgment and order dated so and so against session that the orders and any other so and so. Please admitted for hearing. I call for the PCR. List accordingly. ROG to IS. I will so and so. It may be listed after receipt of IT.
Yes, after receipt of this.
So and so, and accordingly, Mr. Waterford submitted that they need some time to file their objection, and perusal of the case record will be necessary. That in view of this, the matter be listed along with the appeal on receipt of the case record and appeal the state respondent to file their written. Please.
Much obliged.
In this case, madam, this appeal was admitted and record called for. And today in my hearing of the miscase, my lord, that is to fix for the suspension of sentence. Already, my lord, my learned friend appearing on behalf of the my lord complainant. But
You
from
have filed
state,
your any objection or want to? You have already filed.
statement, my
Copy you have
lord,
received.
state has not yet filed, my lord, any affidavit, my lord.
Yes, state. you want-
years open, yes, well, I need some time to file objection.
State not
So
state.
till
Postpone,
how many?
10 years,
No, 10 years.
10 years.
You are in custody since
last more about 2 years.
about.
Victim is a differently able.
The application did amount of this. So they state want to file affidavit, let them file an affidavit. After 10 days, it will be listed.
10 days.
So be that like very bad. Otherwise, big TCR has already been received.
Record,
this
probably
year-
I have seen that record.
Yes. Hard Mr. TJ Mohammed, Learned Senior, assisted by Mr. A. Buru, Learned Constable, the applicant of the applicant. Also hard Mr. P. Bora, sorry, P. Bora, Learned additional PP appearing. on the respondent. And also hard MS, hard P. Bora, Learned. You are amicus or you have appointed? Amicus.
Legally.
Legal count for the yes. Submitted by MS Bora that we have already filed the written objection. Already submitted by Mr. Bora that they need some time file the written objection. Considering the submission made by Mr. Bora. Is the matter, how many weeks you need?
My lord,
No, weeks we will. After
11.
that will-
oh, yes.
2 weeks we'll do,
After 3 weeks, man.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
It's accordingly after 3 weeks and I think the additional PP to file the written.
Diploma.
Okay.
My lord, I have filed interlocutory petition, my lord.
This is also for.
Yes, to make a victim girl as a respondent number 3.
What?
Actually, she is daughter-in-law of the accused number 2, my lord. A wife of the, that's why I could not make could not make respondent. Now lordship has passed order person out. Verbally, your lordship told me to make as a respondent. I number 360, 2025. And I got the Harry also, my lord, interim order, my lord. That interim order shall be continued. Interim order dated 23, 2025.
So now victim is the respondent number 2,
As respondent number, my lord, 3.
respondent number 3.
3.
Respondent number
Because 2 is the informant.
informant.
Yes,
So now you meant Anjuma Khatun is the respondent number 2.
yes.
Oh, that is the case. He is the
Yes,
father-in-law or something.
Yes, father-in-law.
Father is KDB, the applicant, applicant, by Mr. P. Porter. The learned shall be paid on the statement. This is this interlocutory application has been filed for impleading the victim girl as a respondent number 3 in person to the order dated 20/03/2025 passed in criminal petition number 344. It is submitted by MS Devi that inadvertently the victim was not made as a party in the connected criminal petition. And according, it is submitted that the victim may be implemented as a respondent. Mr. Waterford raised no objection to that. Prayer is Respondent number the victim informant may be accordingly implemented as respondent number 3 in the connected criminal petition. With the petitioner will take necessary steps in amending or modifying the cause title of the petition. Connected with the above observation.
During the course of the day.
Instance, you just file it
Interim order shall be continued, my lord. Your
like
office
this,
is present.
in that post only.
Yes.
Dispose কৰি দিব আৰু main petition of the
Because lordship passed an order on 28/3/2025.
yes, yes. Considering next part, hard so and so কৰি দিব. In view of order passed in IA criminal 360 of 2022, the petitioner is hereby directed to furnish the amendment of the modified cause title, implementing the victim informant as responsible. Further, the interim be continued till next step. List accordingly up to 3 weeks.
Oblige.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is the second IA which we have preferred for suspension of sentence. Main notice kindly be issued. Because it is a 376 rape case, my lord.
You are Mr. S. J. Chaudhary.
No,
You are
my lord.
Mr.
I am P. Dev Chaudhary on behalf of Senior Counsel Z. Kumar.
P.
P. Dev Chaudhary.
Mr. P. Dev Chaudhary appearing on behalf of Mr. Z. Kumar, senior advocate for the applicant of the appellant. And this is an application on the section so and so of suspension so and so. Issue notice to the respondent number 2 through registered. In this case also the jurisdiction is required. It's not there.
Yes, ma'am.
Through jurisdiction police station is required here also. No.
No, ma'am. Formal notice maybe
Formal
address,
notice.
address is there, ma'am.
Good. A registered area and as 3 weeks will do after 3 weeks.
Hello.
List accordingly after 3 weeks. Connected appeal to local order. You take steps within 2 3 weeks.
Oblige, ma'am.
Actually, order is like without report. এইটো formula time লাগিলে মই কৰবাক দি record maybe living. We'll have to do some more by 12:30. I'll leave from my court and then Chief Justice has already moved, I think. Thank you.